Pogovori o brexitu potekajo le nekaj dni potem, ko je britanska premierka Theresa May doživela hladen tuš na domačem političnem parketu. Britanski parlament je namreč s tesno večino podprl predlog dopolnila k zakonu o brexitu, v skladu s katerim bodo morali poslanci dogovor med Evropsko unijo in Veliko Britanijo potrditi na zavezujočem glasovanju. In čeprav je Theresa May s tem doživela hud udarec, je prepričana, da je zakon na dobri poti.
Well, just look at the passage of the EU withdrawal bill so far. As I say, it has been making good progress through the House of Commons. We've actually had 36 votes on the EU withdrawal bill, and we've won 35 of those votes with an average majority of 22. So the bill is making good progress. We're on course to deliver Brexit.
Prizadevanja britanske premierke niso ostala prezrta. Evropski voditelji ji priznavajo odločnost in konstruktivnost pri vodenju ločitvenega procesa med Unijo in Veliko Britanijo. Tudi zato so jo v prihodu v Bruselj toplo pozdravili in ji namenili aplavz spodbude.
We'll express our feeling that we were grateful to Prime Minister May for her commitment. Obviously, we're concerned at some developments in London, but we are totally committed from our side to deliver as soon as possible.
Z veliko mero spoštovanja je o Theresi May govoril tudi Viktor Orban, sicer najbolj neevropski od evropskih voditeljev.
She is a wonderful person and she is doing very well, representing toughly the interest of Great Britain. So I think it's a useful conversation and the negotiation is going well. And the Hungarian position is that what we need is a fair Brexit. So the precondition of that is given on the British side. So I hope we will use the possibility.
Hrvaški premijer Andrej Plenković se zaveda pritiskov, s katerimi se sooča njegova britanska kolegica.
She is in a rather ungrateful position, a prime minister that came after a negative referendum on the UK's membership in the European Union, so she is having to cope with all sorts of pressure, and I think it was a gesture between the colleagues, and we hope that today at the meeting of the 27, in respect to the Article 50, we should be able to note that there was a sufficient progress on the negotiations in all three aspects, citizens' rights, Ireland and the financial package.
Vprašljiva ni niti britanska vloga pri zagotavljanju evropske varnosti. Po besedah britanske premierke bo Velika Britanija še naprej sodelovala pri skupni varnostni politiki.
And on the security issue, I'm very clear that although the British people took a sovereign decision to leave the EU, that does not mean that we were going to be leaving our responsibilities in terms of European security.
Pogajanja o prehodnem obdobju bi se sicer lahko začela že kmalu v novem letu. To obdobje naj bi trajalo tudi do 2 leti. Kaj bo potem, je nejasno, saj so prav pogajanja o prihodnjem odnosu najzahtevnejša.